guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new POV, and pretty much this is a very special POV. It's very windy right now, so we're gonna hop in the car as soon as I can. But pretty much we have brought my Scirocco all the way down to Cardiff today. Big shout out to Wheel Finesse because we have got the new carbon steering wheel. They've pulled up. Wait, guys, we just met. Come on, he was legit the sickest guy ever. Honestly, if he's watching this, big up you, because I was literally filming. I was like, fuck, we're in the middle of nowhere, and some pricks pulled up right behind me.
Yeah, he
like out of nowhere, and I got a camera on it.
He yanked his camera off his head so hard.
Guy was sick. The people were sick. They were so sick. We got the Lambo style plates on, rear spats. I did actually try installing the side skirts, but it feels like metal, so I can't really put any holes in it or anything. I've literally damaged my car because I've tried putting the side skirts on. Literally, we just had that crazy experience with that guy, like big fucking up. It's still crazy for us meeting you guys. We met somebody yesterday in a Disney store, got the Cobra exhaust on rear spats. The rear spats are looking absolutely saucy. No, just there you go. And again. Right, here is the new carbon steering wheel. Bruv, it was worth the hype. It has purple lights on it. You can change it. I had the green, yellow, red, but now I've got the blue, lighter blue, purple, red. It is insane. And look at this, guys. So you got the miles per hour, RPM. Before we actually get into the POV with the new carbon steering wheel, I would like to say a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, CLOUDBURZT. CLOUDBURZT is actually a high pressure odor eliminator that is inspired by the most popular colognes on the marketplace right now, including 1 Million, Savage, and Creed. These smell juicy. Now you can literally use CLOUDBURZT wherever you like. I personally like using it in my bags. I like using it in my car, my office, my bedroom. They just smell amazing. 1 Million, absolutely banging. If you guys actually want to pick up some of your own CLOUDBURZT for your car, your room, I would recommend going for the 3-can bundle because it saves you a little bit of $. And if you want to save money even further, use my code OtherStuff10 to get some money off your purchase. So anyway, thank you so much to CLOUDBURZT for sponsoring today's video. Back to the POV. Ready? Watch this. You can change the color of this steering wheel. And I've changed it to purple. Watch this. Look at the lights! Oh, look at the lights! I only talk about the lights, but the carbon fibre as well as the Alcantara is fucking beautiful. I don't even know if it is Alcantara, but we'll just say it's Alcantara. But it's really grippy, and it's just what I want. And you know, you got the carbon fibre.
The carbon fibre is so shiny.
So shiny.
The quality is there.
I picked it up when it was like off the car, and it was so heavy. The feel of it as well. There's like a little groove here that you just slot your finger in. It's like it's made for like fingering or something. And like with where we are, there's just sheep constantly in the road. Like, look at this. Like they see you and then they walk into it. They're well shaven, you know. They look. Look, they're feeding the bloody horses.
Oh my god, they're literally feeding the horse. Oh.
That's mental.
The car over there fed you, but I'm not going to. Sorry.
You're right, wanker. You stupid cunt.
No, don't be me.
You stupid thing. Why are you walking in the road? I mean, this is kind of your land anyway, but.
Hello. Hello. Please don't come to the window because I will shit myself.
Look at the lights. Oh my god, the purple. You can literally customize this to whatever you want, but. Oh, it's fucking beautiful, these roads. Oh, look at the lights, Chloe. Don't step in the road, you cunt. Give them a bit of room. These roads are unbelievable. So it might be like quite ugly to get out of. Let's get out of here. Look at the lights. You get up to speed so quick in this car, especially like with those two things we've done, the air filter and the exhaust. It's like it's gotten so much quicker. Like you can tell in the 0 to 60s that I did, like it was about probably like something like half a second or somewhere like that. But this ain't even been tuned yet. We are working on it, but he's going 40 down these fucking... I mean, fair enough, mate. Enjoying the view, I guess.
True that.
But yeah, guys, we've had enough of this. We're going to go to a reservoir now. Probably won't film that, but we'll switch over to like the night time or something in Cardiff. Pretty lit. Look at this. Finally come out for a POV night drive. Switched over to the night time. We're actually staying at this little Ibis hotel, and quite rightly, it's a very cheap hotel. We
was the only ones.
We had to book this because we wanted to stay an extra 2 nights, and it's fucking dodgy. Watch the paddles. Oh, it's fucking all stop start. Oh, listen to that. Windows shut. That was fucking beautiful. Like, obviously we got this new carbon wheel, but we are actually going to be doing a giveaway of my old wheel. We're planning on doing something so special with it, like almost a little raffle to obviously give back to you guys. But like,
it's cool. It's gonna be a cool giveaway.
Oh, it's gonna be sick. It's a proper complicated place to drive, guys. Like, I love it, don't get me wrong, I do love driving there.
There's a lot of lanes, isn't there?
So many lanes, it's ridiculous.
You have to switch very quickly.
Yeah, there's like...
You'll come on and then suddenly there'll be a turn and you've got to
yeah.
over like 3 lanes.
Literally. When you're turning the wheel, it looks so sexy. It's gonna be green for me, watch this. Let's see how accurate my speedo is, or how accurate they are. 40, I'm 41 right now, so 40. Hey, Araf! It's so hard to see the lanes when you're like, when it's been raining. Yeah, we're hitting the fucking, yeah boy, well done Chloe. We're gonna cause some havoc.
We already found this because
we got lost.
We got lost when we got.
Listen to this, guys. Look at the lights. I want this car to be louder, or at least not have as much noise cancellation in this car. Look at her, she's fucking wrapped up.
It's so cold when you have the
I love it.
And then you go through like the tunnel.
Yeah. When I came through here, honestly, I don't know if I have footage of it on the GoPro. I literally downshifted, upshifted on the crackles, downshifted, upshifted, downshifted, upshifted. It's mental. I don't even know how to get back. But
There's a hotel.
oh, there is literally a hotel right now.
Oh,
Mad.
I never thought,
Yeah.
but I miss you.
No, it was quite a nice hotel. And like, it's like literally in the city centre, so like it don't take much to get where you're going. Look, We're basically in the city centre now, so then we just whip this one. Look, I already know all the lanes, so.
Oh, they turned the lights off for the.
Oh, that's a shame. It would look sick.
Yeah.
Gee. The turbo. All right. I ain't even told people yet, but basically the next video or blah blah blah, I don't know when the video is. It's basically one of the next videos. I'm actually gonna get a blowout valve on this car. So literally the downshifts, when you know the throttle basically brings the car up to revs. I don't know what I'm saying, but once it revs matches, it's gonna let off a massive blowout valve or blowout noise, and that, or when I go like, it already lets off a little bit of a noise. Let's listen. Little bit of a turbo noise, but the turbo is going to be next level when we get that on. Next fucking level, man.
To the slip road.
I'm just fucking cutting all lanes. Okay, alright then guys, so we are now back home in my hometown. So basically, I know the roads, I know where I don't know where the tight quarters are. Let's fucking go. I know that you guys are waiting for this. 60, boom, just like that in the Rocco. Bruv, I can't believe that this is not the Scirocco R. This is a just base Scirocco, like 2 litre TSI. It's no R version. Everybody told me, why do you get the non-R version? This is like, bruv, you see the progression. It's so much nicer to see a car go from bloody Numpty Dumped, or what's her fucking name? I don't know what her bloody name is, but no, I got her picture in my head, but I don't know what it is. Numpty Dumpty car to a fucking like beast. Like, this car is no like a sick. So anyway, we're gonna give it a little blast up here. It's fucking lit. Let's get these windows open. Downshift. Look at those fucking lights. Let's try and hear the turbo. Anyway, let's whack it in sport again. For the person who said that sport actually makes the DSG noise a lot louder, you're fucking right. Like everything about it just sounds louder and more mean. Ready? This steering wheel is so comfortable to drive with. I used to hold my wheel, hold on, let me turn the lights on. I used to hold my wheel down here, but now I'm always holding it here because it's so comfy to hold it there. I don't understand why they do this. They do a reminder that it's 30 miles per hour and then they do a 60. I am speeding right now, but like, what? I don't understand. That's just a waste of like money, isn't it? I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna get on some nice curvy roads in a second. They are beautiful. Can't even lie, you hit 60 so quickly. It's just there's no fun in it, but when you go around these curves, you'll see. So much fun. Hey, this one's a really tight, like nice little road to do. The brakes on this car are so sick. Jesus, it's so beautiful. Like, look at that. Do you see that when it like turned? So sick. Let's go down to second. Like I said, guys, we are doing a giveaway for my old, we're doing a raffle for my old wheel. We're going to be raising money for charity as well as raising money for the channel itself. So if you guys are interested in that, we are going to be throwing in so much goodies for you guys that like you're not just getting it given like my old wheel. It's going to be a one-of-one cover on it. as well as it's actually the wheel that was on my car, or the channel's car. And also you'll be getting a whole bunch more goodies. It'll be, let me wait here so the tractor can kind of go. Glad. Yeah. Surprise, bruv, go to sleep, fam. We're gonna give it one last blast, and then unfortunately that would be end of today's video. So let's give it a downshift. Listen to that turbo. We're getting a blowout valve very, very soon. Beautiful. Jeez. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Subscribe if you are new. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff. I don't know if I've already said that, but yeah, such sick content coming up soon. Literally, we've got so much more modifications coming to the car. Modifications that I haven't done to my previous car, the Corsa. It's gonna be so sick, so sick. We're working with a whole bunch of companies. Hold on, let me just give it a little blast through here. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Now I'll see your faces in my next video.